Georgia, a land steeped in history and rich in character, home to the bustling streets of Atlanta, the majesty of the state capital, and the pride of the people who call this place home, where tradition and innovation meet, nestled amongst the pines, peaches, and southern hospitality. From the magnificent Blue Ridge Mountains to the serene Atlantic coast, the spirit of Georgia is etched in every sunrise, mirrored in the life of its vibrant communities. And now, this spirit of innovation extends its reach to the realm of real estate, empowering homeowners in a new way. We are Falaya, the new real estate platform that exists for you, the buyers and sellers. And today, with joy in our hearts and Georgia on our mind, we are excited to say we are now available in the great state of Georgia. Welcome to the new way to buy and sell. Welcome to Falaya. It's real estate reimagined.